In this video, we'll be looking at how to do, in this video, we'll be looking at how to complete these questions 6 and 7 from, and I'll just chuck this in, exercise 4H, sorry. So this is in the area of a triangle question. So question 6 says, first using the sine rule to find another side length and then find the area of these triangles. So let's focus on find the area first. Now we know the formula is going to be something of the sort. A is equal to half, let me just scroll up there, half AB sine C. So we need to find the other side that will help us use that rule. So in this case here, if we labeled our triangle, let's call it A, B, and C, like that, then the opposite sides will be A, B, and C. Now, if I use this eternal angle here, then half AB sine C, I'd use the area formula that has the corresponding sides and the internal angle associated with those sides. So if I try to solve for the area, I have one known, another known, I have this as an unknown and the area is unknown. So I can't solve the area yet. So what I need to do is establish what C is. To work out C, I need to find this remaining angle here. So we know that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So what's this angle C going to be? We go 180 minus 75 minus 80. 25 degrees. And let's label that in there. 25 degrees, circle. Now that we know this angle here, we can use the sine rule. The sine rule works on opposite angles and sides. Since we're working out a side, we are going to use the side version of the sine rule to help us establish what side C is. So this is us using the sine rule now. So we're going to use C on sine big C is equal to, and we know the matching pair of B and B. So we write small b on sine big B. And next step is to sub in the values. We don't know small c yet, so we keep that as small c. Sine big C is equal to 13 on sine 80. And then we can solve. So I prefer using the class pad for this, but you can rearrange it if you like and solve algebraically. So we've got on the top x and then shift 1 for sine 25 degrees, close your brackets, and then 13 on shift 1, 80, close your brackets. So there we get x as being 5.7, and let's go 3 decimal places, 5.579 centimeters. Our next step is to find the area of our triangle. Now that we know this side, we have one known, another known, and another known. So we can use our sine rule to help us find the area. So the area rule to find the area of this triangle. So in green, area is equal to half, and then I'm going to go the sine A version, and then I fill in the rest, so times by B times C, sub in our values. B in this case is still 13, and C is 5.579 times by sine 75 degrees. And then we just plug that into our calculator. And then we have it. To 2 decimal places, centimeters squared. So there, we've just used the sine rule to firstly find the unknown side, and then we've used the area rule after that to find the area of this non-right angled triangle.